360 Electricians, welcome back to the channel. Now you saw a video I did of unboxing from some Fluke solar tools. I've been telling you that Fluke is all in on solar. Well, I got a chance to take these 2 meters down to LA and do a little bit of a test drive. In this video, let's go into more detail. All right, so now you know the news that Fluke is all in on solar. Well, what does that mean? Well, the industry is changing, as you know, and we need more tools to get the job done correctly. We need better metering tools. We need better sun and angle tools so that when we engineer these solar projects, we're gonna get them right the first time. Then what happens when you have systems now that are getting 5, 10, 20 years old? You're having failures. Again, we need the right tools so that we can check insulation, voltage, production. That's where Fluke comes in. Now, the first 2 tools I got to test out just for a brief period was the IRR1 Sol tool. Now, this tool, it's gonna calculate your tilt angles and what degree to north you're facing. It's also gonna check that irradiance, as I said. It's gonna take all that gathered information and download it to the Fluke FC program. That is the Fluke Connect. Another item that we tested was the Fluke 393 FC Cat 3 1500 volt meter. This thing is a beast. It is also wirelessly connected and connects to the FC Fluke Connect system software. You're going to be able to check amperage, voltage up to 1500 volts. Why is that important? Well, if you've ever worked on solar, your voltages start at 400 and up. And on major commercial projects, you can easily get up to that 1500 volt mark. You're gonna need to test voltage to make sure that those panels are working, they're in series correctly. The crazy part about this clamp meter is it goes all the way to 1000 amps AC or DC. As far as your class 4 wirings going up to 600 volts, that's for your standard voltages for residential. So this thing is an all-in-one meter. Great way to start in the solar. Now, why are we talking about all this? Because solar is the future. You know it and I know it. If you've watched this channel for more than 5 minutes, you know how much I preach about diversifying your electrical contractor business. Well, the way to do that is with tools like this. Fluke, thank you for sponsoring this video and sending these items. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Links below to Fluke so that you can check on these items and purchase them for your company and start leveling up in 2023. Hey, I hope you got something out of this channel. Subscribe, and don't forget to check out our podcast, available at Google, Apple, and Spotify, and also on YouTube at the 360 Electrician Podcast. See us on Twitter, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook, and we will see you on the next one.